In this video, we are going to learn how to save money fast as a teenager. Coming up. Hello, welcome to my world. I'm Max Fred, and in this channel, we are helping you groom yourself and generate an income while grooming yourself. So many teenagers are fighting the urge of spending. So, to stop or reduce the rate at which you spend money, we will help you save more money as a teenager. So, hear this.
These tips are tested and proven from researches. Saving money as a teenager is hard, especially when you have friends who are out buying new clothes and going on weekend trips. But it's not impossible. Here's how teens can save. So watch this video till the end if you want to save up to $5,000 in a month.
So, I'm starting with tip number 1. Start a savings account. You might feel unmotivated to put your money in a savings account, but no matter if you're making $10 or $100, it can help. Whether it's for each day, week, or month, set savings targets and stick to them. Once you have established targets, put the money you plan to save for that period in your savings account. This will help you reduce the temptation to spend more. 2. Separate spending money from savings. Though you smashed the money you made into a savings account, you might be tempted into thinking you should spend that money if you run out of cash, right? No, don't do it. Your savings are for essentials and emergencies, not for purchases like food and so on. The smart thing to do is to have a transaction account or a direct deposit account which you can access on demand. You can also start a student checking account or a transaction account and put some money in it in case you don't want to keep too much cash on you. Tip number 3. Save $1 or more each day. On the first day of your part-time job, save $1. Then every day after that, save $1 more. And after 2 months, you have saved up almost $1,000 already. That's one new secret you should use, and it's easy. Tip number 4. Ask your parents. Yes, that ew sound you are making looking at this suggestion have been made and heard all over many places. But it's not a bad idea to ask your parents for help when trying to save a few bucks. You can ask your parents to match your weekly or monthly savings by contributing something to your account. Hear this.
If you put aside $20 a week for the month and show your parents that you've stuck to that target, you can ask them to contribute $100 at the end of the month.
Okay, once you have shown them that you are serious about saving your money, I bet you they will reach out and help. In fact, it's not a shame to ask them. Tip number 5. Make a budget or keep track of your purchases. You can save more money easily by keeping a book of your purchases. That way, you will have a record of your spending, so to know if you are spending more than you should have been. Keep all your receipts and write down your spending totals. Always date your entries and divide your money into categories. Idea. The last but not the least, tip number 6. Spend smart. When you spend, it doesn't mean you should spend alone. Think about sharing costs with your friends or siblings where you can, whether on magazines, trips, books, and so on. Capitalize any interest you share with people by splitting the things you guys want each. Also, try and collect as many tokens and gift cards as you can. If the gift cards you get are for items you are not interested in buying, feel free to resell them. With that, we have come to the end of this video. Hey, check out my video on how to make money fast as a teenager. I have a link to that below on the description box. And also how to become famous in 5 days as a teenager. The link is on the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. I will highly appreciate that. Please let me know on the comment section how you save money as a teenager, or how you saved money when you were a teenager. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Remember, our goal is to help you groom yourself and generate an income while grooming yourself. See you next week. Boom.